What's up guys, and welcome back to another crypto roll video. Today's topic will be one educational video, how to find the best pre-sale, fair launch or anything like that, where to look at it, how to find it, how to set up other things, and how to use the platforms that are the most common in the crypto space. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, as you can see in front of you is a PinkSale. So that's one of the most common platforms for creating the pre-sale, fair launch and other things. So I'm not here to educate you what is the difference between the pre-sale, the fair launch or any other parts or types of the launching of the token, but I'm going to explain you what you can look for, where to look for and how you can search and how to set up the filters that you actually want to use. From here guys, you can see the supported chains on the PinkSale and how much of the project, how much participants there are, how much liquidity raises there, values lock and bunch of other things. So the most common three blockchains are BNB, Ethereum and Solana, and you can see the number of the projects that are launching on that blockchain, how much participants do they have and how much liquidity that raised already. That's the things that you can find once you enter the PinkSale. So also you can see the trending tokens in the top part that you can also check out. They are trending with a reason. You can also look for it, but how to set up other things. So once that is done here guys, you're going to see that launchpads are there and the launchpad list is right here. So this is the place where you can start looking and searching for the tokens. This is the simple mode where you can also choose between the blockchains, you can choose between the status. So is it done with the KYC, is it upcoming, is it progress, is it failed? Also you can see the whitelist. So here you can set the hard caps, soft cap, liquidity pool, percent, start time, ending time, and also the types. Is it the pre-sale, is it the fair launch, manual listing, auction, subscription or social sale. So that's how it looks in that way. Now we have the advanced mode that I'm in love with on the pre-sale, where you can look for a bunch of things and set different things up. So first here you can see this is the hard cap place where you can choose between bunch of things, but what you can set to is right here. So you can set to be the pre-sale or the fair launch, and let's say that we are going to look for the fair launch and for the pre-sales only. Now the next thing that we can choose between is where the blockchain and on what blockchain they are operating. So we're going to choose just the most common one, and it will be BNB, ETH and Sol. So that's it. With that we finished and we made that we are not operating on any other blockchain, just from the three most common one, and we are only looking for the fair launch. So that's how it looks. Initial market cap you can see right here, and also you can see the status, how it is performing. Countdown until the sale ends, which you can check it, and also great things if you're interested into something like, let's say here we are going to set with the let's see this one right here, which we are able to view. So once that we clicked, we are redirected to the PC GemPad pre-sale that are also number one on the trending list, which you can check it out. Here you can see that they're operating on an Ethereum blockchain and they raised 31.8 Ethereums already. So by scrolling down you can learn a bunch of other things about the project. You can see they have the audit and the KOL badges, which is cool, and you can check all the links right here. Something important is explained here very well. You can see that they will be automatically listed to the Uniswap and unsold tokens will be burned, which is some of the things that you need to have in mind once you are looking and searching for the token. On here guys, you can be playable and you can generally be creative and set. You can see the pink meme, you can create a token list, Telegram airdrop bot is also right here, pick lock. So bunch of things are explained here very well. This is big website or the platform where you can see a bunch of things. So you can choose between top 12 trending tokens, PM coin pre-sale operating on a Sol, and they raised already 124 sols. So here you can see what is their soft cap, that 250 sols, so they're close to half of their soft cap, and 500 sols are the hard cap. Now guys, the next thing is the GemPad. This is amazing place. So this is for the Solana guys. You can see a bunch of things, and here you can also choose between different things. So the pre-sales are there, staking, OTC sales. So here you can check and choose between different things. So once you click on the filters, so you can see what badges they have. Also you can choose between default, the newest, the start time, the ending time, and also the rank status for upcoming, sale, live. So we can only do for the live sale and sale, and no ended and no cancel, so just those one. Once that is done, we can see that also we can choose between blockchains. So let's say that we are using those two and apply this. Okay, we can use also the Ethereum, and let's check for Arbitrum, and I don't know, but that's how it looks and how it works. So once that is done, you can see the blockchain right here. So now you can see the tiers, so that's really important to know. And the next thing guys is to know that this one is operating on a tone. This one you can choose between soft caps, how they are performing, what they are doing, and what you can expect to see. Also there is also the trending place that you can see. So let's say the Sako is one of them. So let's learn more about the project. So you need to always do your own research. That's what is important. So stake cash coin, or Sako, that's the name of the token. So here you can see that listing rate is here. Maximum buy is only 2 BNBs, which means that they're operating on a BNB chain. You can see their tokenomics right here. So initial market cap is right here, the sale is live, so team is there, owner is one of them, something about them. So definitely great place. So here you can see estimated token distribution in 21 days, quick buy, quick intel. You can check their Telegram and X profile. So this is their website. So anything that you can find, you're able to do. So right here you can see it's the Sol sale, which is a great place for you. Definitely just wait for it. So only Solana tokens right here in front of you. From here you can see bunch of meme tokens. Don't forget, meme tokens are very hard to trade, to buy. It's generally really hard to be right, so you need to do what you're doing with the meme tokens, and it's like a gamble. So I'm not encouraging anyone to gamble, but there are some great meme tokens that really can actually explode. It depends on a bunch of different factors, but actually meme tokens are really hell in the crypto space, but they're also the most interesting part of the crypto space, because you don't know what you can expect. So that's that gamble part that it actually held in behind them. So here you can see a bunch of great meme tokens in front of you, so you can check them out. You can see how they're performing. You can see that the sale is live, when the sale will end, so you can see in the days, in the hours. So definitely check it out. Here you can also see they have also the ranking place. So this is number 1 on the trending list, so Sol Shiba for Q4 December bull run. So definitely check it out. You can also buy, just need to connect the wallet in the upper right corner. Don't forget, I'm not encouraging you to buy anything. I'm here to explain you how this works, how to search for the tokens, and everything else is strictly on you. I explain you some things you need to learn and do your own research on this topic. I'm just here to guide you to some places, and all other things are especially on you. You need to do your research. You need to understand the crypto space so you can make better decisions, more informed decisions, and I explain you where you can search for, how to search for some things, and what to look for. That's generally the main purpose of the channel, so that's also on you. I'm here to guide you, to give you my opinion, but it's not me that I'm making financial decisions. It's you, and you need to be informed, and you need to understand the crypto space. So that's all from this guide. Please guys, in the comment section below, tell me what do you think, what is the next topic that you would like to hear from me to be covered. Put it in the comments, and we'll see which one gets the most, so we can also cover something what you offer. We will see in the future, so stay tuned guys. Don't forget to like and share, and see you in the next video.